If you are not a hockey fan, this story might have slipped by you, pun intended. This is Alex Ovechkin. We all call him Ovi. He is now the leading all-time scorer in the NHL, 895 goals. He beat the great one, Wayne Gretzky, with 894. It's a huge milestone moment. It was very cool to see on the ice. What comes next, though, is the marketing lesson. And I just want to shout out to Budweiser Canada for the foresight to do this because it's amazing. There are 28 NHL goalies that Ovi had not scored on. In fact, he took 199 shots on these 28 goalies. And this is what Budweiser Canada did yesterday. They sent each one of these goalies their very own Budweiser can. And I'll get you a closer shot here in a second. But what's cool is each one of those cans is a one of one. So the goalie gets a can. It says how many shots that Ovi took on them. And obviously that he scored 0 goals. You can see a much better shot of the cans here. And there's so much to learn here. But the reason I wanted to shout out is the foresight and how important it is to have people on your team that are looking ahead at things that could be opportunities for your team. Here is one, right? Pretty good chance that Ovi's going to break that record in 2025. What could we do? What makes this story more interesting is this is not the first time Budweiser has done this tactic. Back when Messi scored his 644th goal for Barcelona, which was a big deal because that broke Pele's record, Budweiser did the same thing. There was 160 goalies, but in this case, they got a bottle of beer that signified they were part of the goals that equated to 644. So these are not the keepers that kept balls out. These are the keepers that let balls in. I just love brands that take advantage of these moments that they can jump into culture and be a part of something cool. Will this sell more beer? I don't know, but it's such a cool thing, and the details on the can are amazing. And also, things like this beget more culture, right? Culture begets more culture. This is Eddie Lack. He was scored on by Ovi and was mad. He said, I would have tried harder had I known I would have gotten a collectible can of beer. And all of this to say, again, just why I love this space, because of things like this. Ovi, cheers.